Welcome back. And since the markets are looking to recover from the lows of the day, let's go straight across to our FNO desk. And Mangalam is here to tell us what the FNO data is indicating, whether 24,850 will continue to act as a strong support for the Nifty or not. Mangalam, what's the data suggesting?
That is what the street is hoping for right now, because below that there would be a further flurry of selling activity that may take place. The good part is that Reliance is actually holding up or recovering from the lows, and as a result of which supporting the cause of the Nifty, but that's just about 15-20 points. The Nifty is just about 15-20 points off the day's low today, down about 180 points for the frontline index. We have the Nifty Bank lower by 400 points as well, and the mid-caps will have your portfolios look like they are in a sea of red. The important part, the Nifty is broken below the 50-day moving average and also below the July 21st low of 24,882, which it's now, trying or making an attempt to defend at the lower levels. And the good part that has happened from a market standpoint is that the VIX, which was fairly contained and perhaps at some point even pricing in complacency, has seen a spike right now, gone back to, more relevant levels of 11, 12. But remember, the VIX on an average around 13 to 14 is good for the overall health of the market itself. The put call ratio, that's come down from 0.88 to 0.75, telling you that put writers have begun to cover their positions and call writers have started to come in the market. So we have the 25,000 call, which is fairly active in today's trading session. We have the 24,900 call as well, equally active in today's trading session. What does this activity tell you? That between 25,000 to 25,050, there is still likely to be some congestion, even if the market does recover. And technically as well, that ties in with the 50-day moving average on the Nifty. At the lower levels, though, 25,100 put writers who were hoping for support coming in at 25,000 are now covering those positions, and the premium out there has seen a sharp spike, though the 24,900 put writers are still holding on, telling you that the market may bounce back from here. 24,900 put has a premium of almost 130 rupees, telling you between 24,750 to 24,800, there is important supports for the market. And that ties in again with the support levels for the Nifty Bank. The Nifty Bank 50-day moving average, which is about 200, 300 points from where the level is right now, is an important support at 56,313. Done with the index, let's talk about individual stocks. We have shorts covering their positions in IEX after a big gash yesterday. And remember, these are unwinding positions because no fresh positions can be taken because the stock already is in FNO ban. And the first hour of trade itself has seen a lot of shorting activity take place in names like KFin. Bad numbers coming in. The stock is pummeled in today's trading session. Poonawalla FinCorp as well is seeing a lot of shorting activity for this time of the day. So that's another stock that I'll be keeping on my radar.
Interesting names there, Mangalam. Thank you for that update. And the bulls would definitely be hoping that 24,850 does sustain on the downside. We did make a brief move below that level. 24,844 is the intraday low that the Nifty has made, and it has since then recovered around about 40 points from those levels. Just before we go to Mitesh, you pull up 4